Hi crocheters, and welcome back to my channel. Glad to share a new pattern with you that I love, and I'm sure you will too. I'll be taking you through a step-by-step process of creating a cute girly crochet top. This top is a relaxed and elegant feminine tank style top with a simple stitch pattern, adjustable straps, and a scalloped edging for that soft look. Materials: DK Light 3 cotton yarn, approx 200-300 grand depending on size. Crochet hook size 4.0 mm G. Yarn needle for weaving ends. Scissors. Measuring tape. Stitches and abbreviations. Caged chain. SLST slip stitch. SE single crochet. HDC half double crochet. DC double crochet. SK skip. STs stitches. Gauge optional but helpful. 18S decks 10 rows, tie 4 inches, 10 sign in HDC. Construction overview. This top is worked side to side to make it easy to size, then seamed and finished with straps and a scallop border. You can customize the width and height based on your own measurements. Pattern instructions. Step 1, body panel. 1. Measure your bust and add 2 inches of 5 cm for ease. This will be your width when working horizontally. 2. Foundation chain. Chain enough stitches to reach your desired top length from underarm to waist. For mid-length, about 12-14 inches, 30-36 cm. Example, serrage 50-60. 3. Row 1. HDC and second TH from hook and in each TH across turn. 4. Row 2 until desired width. H1, HDC in each side across. Turn. Continue until your panel equals your bust measurement plus 2 inches ease. For example, 38 bust, I could work until fabric measures 40 wide. 5. Fasten off and seam the 2 short sides together. Using a whip stitch or slip stitch join, you now have a tube, the main body. Step 2. Top edging to form neckline. 1. Join yarn at the top edge of the tube. 2. Round 1, CH1, SC evenly all around the top edge, SL sheet to join. 3. Round 2, CH2, DC in each seam around SL sheet to join. This strengthens the neckline and prepares for strap placement. Step 3, bottom edging, optional scallop hem. 1. Join yarn at the bottom edge. 2. Round 1, CH1, SC evenly around SL site to join. 3. Round 2, scallops, SK1 st. 5 DC in next st, SK1 st, SLST in next st, repeat around. Fasten off and weave ends. Step 4, straps. 1. Try on your top and mark where you'd like the straps to sit, usually 4 or 5 inches apart on front and back. 2. Attach yarn at the front mark. Cage 45-55 or length to fit your shoulders comfortably. Sell seat to the back mark on the same side. Repeat for the second strap. 3. To reinforce SC back along each strap, then fasten off and weave in ends. Step 5, finishing touches. Block your top lightly, especially if cotton, to even the stitches. Optional. Add a row of crab stitch, reverse single crochet around the neckline for structure. Optional. Tie a thin crochet cord around the waist for shaping. Customization tips. For a ribbed texture, alternate rows of HDC and back loop only. For a more fitted version, reduce your ease to plus 1 inch instead of 2. For a color block style, change yarn colors every 10 rows. For extra support, crochet a narrow elastic into the top round before attaching straps. Care instructions. Hand wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. Do not wring. Uses of the crochet top. Here are 6 lovely uses of the crochet top. 1. Everyday casual wear. Perfect for pairing with jeans, shorts, or a skirt during warm weather. The breathable cotton yarn keeps it cool and comfortable for daily outings. 2. Beach or vacation outfit. It makes a stylish beach cover-up or resort top. You can wear it over a swimsuit or pair it with linen pants for a light holiday look. 3. Layering piece. In cooler months, layer it under a cardigan, denim jacket, or blazer. The delicate crochet texture adds elegance and contrast to simple outfits. 4. Handmade gift. A crochet top is a thoughtful, personal handmade gift for friends or loved ones. You can customize the color, size, and edging to fit their style. 5. Fashion or brand content. If you run a crochet page, Etsy shop, or YouTube channel, this top is a great model piece to photograph or feature in tutorials, lookbooks, or reels. 6. Market or craft fair item. Crochet tops are trendy and sell well at handmade markets. The tank top style, with its simplicity and romantic aesthetic, appeals to a wide range of customers. Bonus tip: pay attention to tension. Maintain consistent tension throughout your work to ensure an even appearance. Practice a few rows before committing to the full project to get comfortable with the pattern and gauge. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Hope you'll be trying out the pattern for yourself. Till next time, happy crocheting!